Boys and girls, this is Ms Cheshier here, and we're going to do a math lesson today. And since I've seen a lot of other teachers bringing in their pets, I also brought in a friend. This is Fabulous the Fox. Everybody say hi, Fab. Fab is so glad to be learning math with us today. I just want you to know why her name is Fabulous. Look how her sequins can go up and down. Isn't that so cool? One of my sweet students gave me this for Valentine's Day. So awesome. So, Fab, are you ready to learn about place value with us first graders? Yeah, we're ready. Okay, so I actually am using a book on epic.com. You can read this book later with your family. It's called Place Value by Penny Dowdy. Now, I'm not going to read it exactly. We're just going to use this kind of as a visual counting. Can you count? Of course you can. You are a smart little boy or girl. When you count, you use numbers. You start with 1, and then you name the numbers in order. Okay? You stop when you run out of things to count. Let's look at the bees on this page. Can you count how many bees are there? I'll give you a second. Did you find 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? Me too! Awesome job! I want you to look around your room and find 5 things that you see. Then I want you to write that number down and write the word. Pause the video and go do that. Ms Cheshier has 5 items I'm really excited about. Animal crackers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, I'm going to eat them later. Okay, what did you find? Oh, yeah? Awesome. Okay, let's keep going because this is easy peasy. We're just reviewing. Okay, so you can also count past 9, right? You better have said yes. You can count 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. To count faster, you can skip count. We know how to do that too in first grade. You can count by 2s. Fab, did you know you can count by 2s? Well, let's tell her. Let's show her, boys and girls. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. What do you think, Fab? She likes that. It's a little quicker. Now, you know you can also count by 3s. 3, 6, 9, and 12. And you can count by 5s. 5, 10, 15, 20. You can skip count by any number you want. It makes it a lot quicker. And you can count by 10s. We'll talk about that in a second. Okay, let's look at this picture. Skip count by 3s. How many frogs do you see? Do you see 9? Let's skip count by 3. Ready? 3, 6, 9. Yeah, there are 9 frogs. But there's one outside of the water. The little boy is holding one. So we've got 9 plus 1. So how many total? That's right, 10 frogs. Awesome job. Now we're going to find out why the number 10 is so special. So you use the digits or numbers 0 through 9 to write numbers. Any number more than 9 needs more than one digit. After 9 comes 10, then 11, and 10 is the first number that has 2 digits, right? To write 10, we have to write 2 different numbers. We have to write a 1, and we have to write a 0. Good job. Can you count the leaves on this branch? Yeah, there's 10 leaves. Can you count the leaves on this tree? That would take a long time. There are a lot of leaves, so it would take a lot of digits. All right, Fab. We're about to start something a little bit more challenging. Can you count to the teen numbers? Fab says she can't. Can y'all help her? Okay, let's look. So the numbers 11 through 19 are the teens. The teens each have 2 digits. Each number from 11 to 19 is a set of 10 with a number left over. Do you remember from our brain breaks at school how we would watch a YouTube video from Harry Kindergarten that said 11 is a group of 10 with 1 extra 1. 12 is a group of 10 with 2 extra ones, and it's a really fun rap song thing. You could show your parents that later and you could practice it at home. Well, that's what this page is doing. It's just going through telling you what each thing is. So I'm going to kind of quiz you. Say it out loud and show me with your group of 10 and your extra ones for each number. Okay, let's try it. So I already did 11 and 12. So Fab, let's see if we can trick them. Can we get them? Oh, let's see. Okay, 13. Show me 13. That's right. It's a group of 10 with 3 extra ones. Good job. Okay. 14. Awesome job. It's a group of 10 with 4 extra ones. What about 15? Oh, you're so smart. It's a group of 10 with 5 extra ones. All right. 16? A group of 10 with 6 extra ones. Man. 17. That's right, a group of 10 and 7 extra ones. 18. Yes, a group of 10 with 8 extra ones. Okay, what about, you're not going to get this one, right? We got them on this one, right, Fab? Yeah, okay, 19. Fab, we can't trick them. They're too smart. That's right. 19 is a group of 10 with 9 extra ones. Good job. Okay. So now that we reviewed what the teens are, let's look at a problem. Let's look at these ducks. Okay, so it says here, this pond can hold one set of 10 ducks. Okay, so one set is like a group. Okay, so we know there's a group of 10, right? Okay, so how many sets or groups of 10 are in the pond? Think carefully on this one because this one has tricked some of y'all before. How many sets or groups of 10 are in the pond? Not 10. Some of you might have said 10. There aren't 10 groups. There are 10 ducks, but there's only one group of 10 because if I took that group apart, I would have 10 ones. And there are 10 ducks, so that's one group of 10. Okay, good job. How many ducks are left over? Let's see. I see some on the land here. I see 1, 2, what? 3. Good job. So if I've got a group of 10 in the water and I have 3 on the land, how many ducks are there in all? How many total ducks? Take a minute and figure that out. I want you to use a strategy. Pause the video and tell a partner a strategy you want to use and solve the problem. How many ducks are there in all? All right, so what strategy did you use? Fab, what strategy would you use? Oh, Fab said she might try counting on because that saves some time. That's a good idea, Fab. Let's try that, okay? So we've got a group of 10 and there are 3 extra ducks. So let's see. 10, 11, 12, 13. Is that the answer you got? Awesome job. So there are 13 total ducks. All right, let's look at some larger numbers. Let's make it a little more challenging, Fab. Can we do that? Okay, the last teen number is 19. Who knows what number comes after 19? That is right, 20. The number 20 is made up of 2 sets of 10. So 2 groups of 10 is 20. Okay, so let's look. Think about this number. Think about 21. This number is made up of 2 full sets of 10. The one tells you that there's something left over. Okay, so let's look at our ants here. each leaf can hold one set or group of 10 ants. So, how many leaves are there? Right, there are 2. So then, that means how many groups of 10 are there? 2, that's right, because we just said each leaf can hold one set of 10 ants. So we've got 10 and 10. How many ants are left over? 1. Good job. So now I want you to pause the video and I want you to tell somebody you're with what is the answer. How many ants are there in all? What is the total amount of ants? Okay, if you said 21, you got it right. Yay! Fab's so excited. Okay, so we said 10, 21. 21. Great job. Okay, so for fun, since you guys paid such close attention, me and Fab have a fun game to play. If I can get it to work. Yes, it's called Place Value Basketball. Hoop, hoop. Here we go. See if you can do it. Okay, so we've got some 10, 6, and some 1s. We need to know how many total cubes we have. All right, so I'm going to do a couple with you, and then I'm going to let you do some by yourself. Okay, first thing, we've got a group of 10 and 3 extra 1s. Ooh, 10, 11, 12, 13. Is 13 right? Let's see. Am I going to make it? Yes! Says, well done. Okay, let's do another one together. Okay, we have 1 stick of 10, so how many cubes do I have? 10. Yes! Well done. Okay, see if you can do this one by yourself. I'm going to let you do it. Think for a minute what you got. Got a group of 10 and then count how many 1s. And tell me what's the total amount of cubes you have. Did you say 19? Let's see if you got it right. If you said 19, yes! Awesome job. Okay, what about this one? Ooh, there's no groups of 10 here. Did you say 7? Let's see if that's right. Yes! Score! Woo, woo, woo! Okay, let's do one more. Got a group of 10 and some 1s. Count it up. What's the answer? Did you say 18? Yes! Awesome job today, boys and girls. I want you to keep practicing. You can actually go to this website and practice more. The name of this website is topmarks.co.uk, and this is called Place Value Basketball. So you can do this. You can also go and finish reading that book I read you on getepic.com and keep working on place value. Fab says bye.